Today we're going over how to install the Stromung exhaust on a BMW Z3M. This is actually pretty simple since it's just a catback exhaust, so let's go ahead and get right into it. To lift this car up, we're going to actually jack it from the diff. This is going to be a good strong point at the rear of the car to lift it up. This car has a specialized jack stand system. It has kind of a rubber plastic funnel that guides the pin into a specific spot on the frame. Once we have the car in the air, we're going to go ahead and start removing the factory mufflers. There's a bolt at the front and back of each muffler. You're just going to need a 13mm wrench to remove those. There's also a hanger on the pipe in front of the muffler. You'll kind of need a screwdriver to be able to jam that off. And then finally, there's going to be flanges on each side. You're going to need a 13mm and a 12mm as backup. In our case, they were actually so rusted together that we didn't need the backup. When you pull the old muffler, you're going to want to hang on to this little gasket because we're going to reuse that. So when it comes to installing the new mufflers, first you're going to want to mount the hanger, then do the flanges at the front, and then do the front and rear mounting bolts on each muffler. You can see here we're sliding that hanger into that rubber bushing, and once that's in place, we're going to go ahead and tighten up those flanges at the front of the exhaust. And now we're moving on to those mounting bolts. Now the order you tighten these down in will kind of determine the alignment, so you'll need to loosen and tighten them a little bit and play with it until you get the mufflers all squared up. And once those mufflers are straight, you can just go ahead and make sure everything's tight and you'll be good to go.